Hello aspirants, my name is Shraddha. Welcome to the channel Your UPSC Notes. On this channel, I will share with you all my own notes so that you get an idea as to how you can make short and crisp notes on different subjects जो कि both prelims and mains examination में आपको help करेगा. अगर आप मेरे नोट्स से आइडिया लेकर अपने नोट्स बनाते हैं तो इसे लास्ट मोमेंट पे रिवाइज करना एंड मेमोराइज करना आपके लिए बहुत ही आसान हो जाएगा. मेरे पास इन सभी टॉपिक्स के डिटेल वर्जन नोट्स भी है. अगर आपको डिटेल वर्जन चाहिए किसी टॉपिक का तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताएं. देन आई विल शेयर विथ यू ऑल द डिटेल वर्जन ऑफ this as well. Today I'm sharing with you all my making of the constitution notes, which is very important for prelims perspective. जो चीज़ें लक्ष्मीकांत में 3-4 पेजेस में आपको लिखी हुई मिलेंगी उसको 5 to 6 पॉइंट्स में कैसे पूरा कवर करके मेरे नोट से आपको आइडिया लगेगा कि उसका नोट्स कैसे बनाएं. सो मेकिंग ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो देयर आर बेसिकली 4-5 points that you have to take out from the book. So I have taken out what was the most important thing mentioned in the book. First, demand for Constituent Assembly accepted by British government in 1940 August offer. Which offer? Because from 1940 onwards so many missions and offers were coming from the British side, British government, like Cripps mission and August offer and a lot of them. So when did the British government accepted the demand for Constituent Assembly? August offer 1940, way before the Quit India movement or any other movement. August offer 1940. And then when was the Constituent Assembly constituted? It was constituted in November 1946 under the cabinet mission plan. So it was after 6 years of August offer or acceptance of demand for Constituent Assembly, the assembly was constituted. So when was it constituted? Constituent Assembly 1946 November. Under which mission? Cabinet mission plan. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on 9 December 1946. 9 December 1946. And the first session 11 December 1946. See, there is a difference between first meeting and first session. This was first meeting to chalk out plans, how will they conduct the discussions and everything, how they frame the constitution. It was just a basic meeting. The first session where they actually discussed the whole idea of the constitution, how are they going to frame everything, happened on first session. It was held on 11 December 1946 itself. Total how many sessions? Total 11 sessions were held. Then who was the temporary president? Temporary president was Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. He was not elected, he was just the oldest member in the entire Constituent Assembly, and on the basis of that he was selected. He was temporary president. And the first president of the Constituent Assembly was the Rajendra Prasad, and he was assisted by 2 vice presidents. And the objective resolution was moved on 13 December 1946. Objective resolution was moved on 13 December 1946 by Jawaharlal Nehru. So this is all for the making of the constitution from prelims perspective, and I will make detailed note of it if you want for the mains perspective in other video. So thank you all. Please like if you like my channel, and if you really like it, please subscribe it to motivate me so that I can contribute more towards your journey to the UPSC, to facilitate you for making better notes, crisp notes. Thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe. Again I will say thank you, love you all.